Hi, I'm Kaz. Ever wondered how people manage really cheap flights? Or better still, those really expensive international business class flights with airlines like Emirates? Well, I'm here to spill the beans on how you can too. Every Tuesday, I'll be posting some helpful tips on how to collect and use Qantas points to make your getaway dreams come true. So make sure you hit follow or subscribe to get all of my tips. So far this year, we have managed 5 domestic Qantas business class flights, 1 international economy class and 4 business class flights with Emirates, and another 2 Qantas international flights booked, all on Qantas points, saving us tens of thousands of dollars. So I'm living proof that this works. This week, I'm talking about Qantas points earning credit cards. This is by far the easiest way to earn points. If you don't already have one, head to the Qantas website. Hit shop and scroll down to Qantas points earning credit cards. They have a whole range of comparisons there. So there's ones with varying sign-up bonuses, minimum spend amounts, and varying conditions like how many points per dollar that you will earn. You'll generally find that the cards that have the highest points also do come with higher annual fees. But you might also find that these will give you extra bonuses. For an example, the Qantas American Express Ultimate card has a $450 annual fee, but it also gives you $450 Qantas travel credit. It also has lounge passes and travel insurance. I also have the ANZ Frequent Flyer Black that I personally consider one of the best. It has a great sign-up bonus, lounge passes, concierge services, and good points per dollar conversion. But it also has higher annual income requirements. So you do need to check and see what is right for you. So these are my 2 favorites. So my American Express Qantas and my ANZ Frequent Flyer Black. If you happen to have a business, I also recommend the American Express Business Rewards debit card. Now, a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, so you need to definitely consider your own financial circumstances, what's right for you, and do the research, okay? We put every single expense on our cards and we pay it off at the end of every month. The interest rates are high and it's definitely not worth paying for points. If you're changing credit cards, most banks will have some conditions like that you cannot have held a points earning card with them within a defined period, and that can be up to 2 years. But it's definitely the easiest way to collect a lot of points with money that you're already going to spend anyway. You'll be surprised how quickly these points add up. So tell me, what's your dream destination? Where are you heading? Let me know in the comments. And also, if you have any particular interest, any queries that you'd like me to answer in the coming weeks, please let me know, and happy travels. Bye.